Hello and welcome back to New Beginner Guitar. As usual, my name's Pete. This little bundle of fluff here is Boogie. And in today's lesson, what I thought I would concentrate on would be your strumming hand. Whether it's your left or your right, whatever hand you use for your strumming, we're going to concentrate on this because this is a very important part of being able to play nice, smooth chords. With an acoustic guitar, I quite like to just use the backs of my fingers. Just let my fingers stroke gently over the strings, sort of just behind the sound hole is fine. Because here the strings are quite rigid. As you get down the neck, they get kind of looser. So at the moment, I'm just going to use my fingers, get a strumming technique going. Some people like to use a little piece of plastic, a plectrum. If I do use one of these on the acoustic guitar, I like to use quite a medium to thin. You don't need to hit the strings hard, but in today's lesson I'm going to do away with that and just use my fingers. Okay. Sometimes you can just use your thumb up and down. You can use your fingers. I'm just going to put my hand like so, and I just gently strum behind the sound hole here. So a strumming pattern, a nice strumming pattern would be just hit the strings nice and gently, down, 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 up, down, up, down. And just try and go across all these strings. So many different strumming patterns to choose from. Whichever one you like to choose to practice this on is fine with me. Just stroke the strings nice and gently. If you dig in too hard, your finger can get in between the strings and get stuck and make all kinds of horrible noises. So just gently stroke those strings. Down, and down, and up and down. Down, down, and up and down. Down, down, and up and down. Down, down, up and down. And for those that you can change chords a little quicker, I'm actually playing a G major here at the moment. This is my G major. My index finger is here on the 5th string, 2nd fret. My middle finger is on the low E string on the 3rd fret, and my ring finger is on the 1st string at the 3rd fret. This is a G major. Try not to hit those strings too hard, just go gently. Later on, when you get used to it, you can bang out the chords, till your heart's content. But at the moment, just brush across them gently. Change chords. I'm going to go to an E minor. My E minor is, I'm using my middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and my ring finger right underneath it on the 4th string up, also on the 2nd fret. It's right in that little box there. Again, just strum gently. Get a little rhythm going. G. So in between practicing your strumming techniques, also keep practice changing chords until you can get them nice and fluid. It doesn't happen overnight, as you know, I've expressed in previous videos. You have to be patient with yourself, and you just have to keep doing it, keep practicing. As you get to learn more chords, then obviously same thing applies with this strumming hand. Nice and smoothly and gently, not too hard. If there are any areas that you get stuck on as you're learning to play guitar, just please put something down for me in the comments below this video, and I will construct a video to help you out with that. Okay, so in the meantime, just keep practicing the strumming gently. And the rhythm, down, up, down, up, down, change, down, 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 up, down, up, down, get a rhythm going. Okay, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching this video, so until the next time.